Na man wey dey give you money you go cook dis kind soup for. It is called Odogwu soup. If your boyfriend or your husband is not an Odogwu, don't make dis soup for him. Hey love, let's make Ogbono soup together. In a pot, add in some chicken, some grated onions, seasoning, salt to taste, and adding a little bit of water and allow that to cook. You know what it is. After some minutes, add in your fresh fish. So I'm using Titus for this recipe. Give that a good stir, then go in with your pomo, your cow skin, then go in with mala and some stockfish and give that a good stir. So in a cup, add in your ogbono and palm oil and put that into the mixture so that it will melt. After some minutes, take that away off the mixture. Then add in your grated peppers and add in some crayfish powder and give that a good stir. After you have done this, add in your melted ogbono into the mixture. Then give that a good stir so that it will not form, there will not be lumps in some parts of the soup. As at this point, your soup is already looking so delish and nutritious and everything. Add in some grated okra into the mix. Then give it a good stir. Use your spoon or your spatula to break it so that it's not going to stay in one particular place. After some minutes, go in with your leaves, your vegetables, guys. Add in your ugu, that's your pumpkin leaves, and give that a good stir. Then bless it with some uziza. Guys, I love uziza so much, and I say this all the time in almost all my videos that I make use of uziza with. Then, guys, add in your fish because I removed mine so that it will not break. At this point, my stew is looking healthy, sweet. I wouldn't call this affordable. Yes, it's called Odogwu soup for a reason. Follow me for more recipes. Thank you.